Hey everybody, Thrift Store Hacker back again, and I don't know about anybody else, but I'm a little paranoid about when packages show up now with the pandemic going on, and I was trying to figure out a way to make it a little bit safer. I mean, I'm just a little paranoid. There are people with bad immune systems out there, so I kind of came up with this idea. Let me zoom out here. I made this, a package disinfecting chamber. So the way that this works is we have some power here that will hook to a battery, a slot to put disinfectant in, right there, plastic lining, and then inside I'll show a picture right here of the two fans in the wire frame. That way it'll blow the disinfectant around the box, hopefully, if it works right. So let's give it a try. We got a camera looking down into the box. You can see I have a fan right here, a fan right here. So hopefully that'll blow the disinfectant around this box, and then we can reach over and flip it on its side, and disinfect the bottom of it. And then we'll use the stick with the blade on the end of it to cut the box open and disinfect the inside of the box. Before we get started here, let's give the fans a test. I have the fans wired up in a 24 volt configuration. So they're both two 12 volt fans. They're operating on 24 volts. That way I can run them on the battery pack that I had lying around. Let's kick the battery on and see how good it works. Looks like we got some pretty good airflow from each of these. This might work out pretty good. All right, let's add some disinfectant here and get it swirling around the chamber. Looks like the fans are doing their job. It's working pretty darn good there. You can see it blowing around on the camera there. Now that we let this run for a while, we'll shut our fans off. Let them come to a complete stop. All right, then we'll open the top of the box. We'll use our razor blade on a stick here to open the container. Well, now that we got the box open, let's see what we got in there. Like most freight shipments, the box is mostly empty. Ah, there we go. All right, now we got the box open. We'll kick our fans back on. Give it another spray of the disinfectant. We'll let this run for a little bit. Now the fans are shut off, and I think it's pretty good to go in there and grab what was in the package. All right, I feel safe grabbing this now. Everything's kind of damp and disinfected. I probably should have flipped it over what was in the box, but it does feel a little damp on the back too. Well, there you go. Interesting way to disinfect your packages before opening them. I don't know if this works or not, or if it's even effective, but we'll let you guys decide. Until next time, build stuff, have fun, and don't catch the human malware.